Are you lucky? Are you lucky? Do you consider yourself to be lucky? Or you think that somebody else is luckier than you? Or you consider yourself as unlucky? Well, then let me tell you that all of us are lucky. If you have the resources to watch this video on your mobile, if you have food in front of you on the table, if you have roof on your head, if you have the clothes that you want to wear, if you have the freedom to choose whatever you want to do, you are lucky. Do not consider yourself as unlucky. The only difference I would say that is there between lucky and unlucky, the only difference that is there between being rich and being broke, being healthy and being unhealthy, or being happy or being depressed is the choices that we make, is the opportunities that we recognize, the actions that we take, and the habits that we build up. It is only these things that makes a lucky person luckier than you, a rich person richer than you, a successful person more successful than who you are, a healthy person healthier than how you are. It is all of these things that makes all the difference. We are all lucky. You just need to be luckier by doing all of these.